The rust penetration on the boiler is worse than we thought. We need to secure that immediately.
Got it. I'll update the stabilization plan.
Slow and steady. Bringing her down now. Okay, contact. We are secure on deck.
All right, clear on this side. Copy that, dropping it steady. Right there, focus the spray right on the mouth.
Okay, I got it. Should I switch to the hammer now?
Yes, try chipping that section. We're using the torch to run away the heaviest sections of burst. But as you can see, we're starting to reveal. We use these tags to track every piece. The corrosion on this section alone is quite severe, but the framework is still solid for restoration.
Watch the pipes coming down. All right, easy now.
Steady now, making sure this curve is absolutely perfect.
It's so busy today. We'll be ready in no time. He's running perfectly. We did it!
Great work, team.
All right, everyone, stand back.
The paperwork is all set.
Time to get this show on the road. He's finally done.
90 years, and we brought him back.
Looks better than new. Hooray! It's Thomas! Welcome back!
We missed you!